born in a small city in Cameroon. I remember a time I was ashamed to even show my friends my house. And so I would point the neighbor's house and say that was my house. And then I walk in and they would think that is where I live. One thing I've come to realize is your parents' poverty is not your poverty. Where you are right now, you might be experiencing hardship, or wherever you live, your parents are broke. That doesn't mean you are broke. I could only dream of being in America. I had the faith and the belief, and I set a vision, and I said, by this time I will be in America. And God, it happened before the time I anticipated. Today I live in Austin, Texas, in the city where the richest man in the whole world, Elon Musk, lives. This could only be a dream. This is possible. It should inspire a Cameroonian who's creative, who even want to travel abroad. And it's like, is this even possible? You can do it. You can do it. Believe in yourself. This is a Tesla. Elon Musk, born in Africa, had faith, traveled to America, studied, and became part of this amazing technology, and he's transforming the world. He's about to take humanity to Mars. Why can't we make Cameroon be like the America I'm seeing right now in the next 15 years? With all this technology, with all this amazing piece of software we have, we can make Cameroon be the next America in the next 15 years. It is possible. The first place to start is faith, belief that it can happen. And once we start there, we will, every other thing is going to align. You don't need to figure out, you don't need to know how it is going to happen. The first thing you need is the belief. If all of us can believe that this will happen, the entrepreneurs, the people that are creative, that believe in the possibilities of Cameroon, all you have to do is start believing that it can happen. And all of a sudden, the resources, the connections will align and it will become a reality. I didn't know where I'll get money to travel to America. I didn't know how things were going to turn out, but I had faith. And then I started putting in the work. The right connections aligned and everything changed. It is possible. We can make Cameroon be that country, y'all. We can build Cameroon and make Cameroon be the next America in the next 15 years. Together, we can do it because we will do it with love. We will do it with understanding. We'll do it with respect. We'll do it with collaboration. We will do it and change the world. Yes, we is greater than me. And I want to let you know I believe in we. Let's do it. Cameroon will become the most richest, the most creative, the most industrial nation in the whole of Africa in the next 15 years. It is possible. We have the technology, we have the connections, we have the right people, we have the belief and the faith and determination. Cameroon will be the wealthiest nation in Africa in the next 15 years. 2037. Yes, Cameroon is going to become one of the richest nations in the world. And we'll be producing some of these cars in Cameroon. We'll be making cars in Cameroon and exporting them across the world. We'll be making computers. We'll be making some amazing piece of gadgets in Cameroon and exporting them around the world. I just want to let you know, together we can do it. We'll do this with love. We'll do this with respect. We'll do this with creativity. We'll do this with hard work. We'll do this by being genuine and sincere and partner with amazing people across the world and make this dream a reality. Cameroon is the next big thing in Africa. Cameroon is the next big thing about to happen in the world. If you think that this is just talk, if you think that this is just blabbing, we are going to make this happen. You and I, together, the creative minds, the entrepreneurs, the genius of Cameroon is going to be revealed through this process, through this project, through this Vision 2037. Together, let's do it.